So I'm starting with talking about my guardedness.
I want you to say that either you watched that video or a friend watched the video.
Yeah.
And however you want to start it.
Yeah.
Cool.
So after a friend telling me that he watched my video and giving me some incredibly honest feedback about what he watched in the video, bringing to my attention the fact that my emotions aren't always conveyed with what the words are that I'm using in any given moment, such as at one point in the last video, I was talking about being excited about a certain thing, and yet my emotion on my face wasn't the most authentic or genuine expression of excitement, because at the same time, there was more to what was being felt, which is me working through my natural state of existing in survival, which is my shell of guardedness to get through every day of life, as well as in this new process of doing something that I've never done before to push myself into a bigger boundary of comfort zone with my ability, with what I truly am excited and desiring to do, which is share my story of my journey of having been an athletic individual from a very young age, going through some very major surgeries and recoveries, specifically my last one, and what I've done with corrective exercise in the last almost 5 years to improve my overall quality of life. It's also sharing in the moment of what I'm going through emotionally and mentally as I'm going through this creative process, sharing that part of the story with you, but sharing more of the totality of the story of my experience while doing it at the same time, which I'm incredibly grateful for. My friend owes me nothing. And the fact that we connected in the past year and a half, and he is willing to take time out of his busy personal and professional life to help mentor and be a brother in arms with me as I'm striving out in the beginning of this adventure, is incredibly humbling and hard to even articulate just how awesome and grateful I am for his choosing to do so. So thank you. And I'm looking to be better each rep we get doing these episodes and the different videos, long form, short form, different formats of each form. I got a lot of fun stuff to share, a lot of stuff that I want to do to physically push myself into a new space and become a more fuller, vibrant version of myself moving into the future.
Because while I am feeling excited, I'm also feeling...
Because even as I'm sharing the joy and excitement of my story and what I'm doing to have as much impact as I can for everyone that is in need or ready to hear my story, that could also help them in their evolution and story and adventure, I'm always going to be working through the nerves, the feeling of inadequacy, that imposter syndrome, which I've just read a while back, is also should be known as growth syndrome, because there's more that I want to do and be for myself, my family, and for everybody that is in need and ready to hear what it is that I have to share and give to everybody.
Amen.